Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you are new, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below before you go. I'd appreciate that so much. So today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. I thought this would be so fun because I saw this look, well, Desi Perkins, I saw this video from her, and I have like straight hair naturally, and I always wanted curly hair, but yeah, it never works. I tried to do the scrunching thing, like I would twist it and put it in a bun and then hold it there and put gel and everything and then twist it and leave it there overnight, and it would not stay. So I want to try this out because I know when I braid it overnight it does stay braided, but it doesn't look curly. So I want to try using the curler and seeing if that will be a nice hairstyle, or well, if it will actually hold up for me and work for me. I do have extensions. So let's see, this is my real hair right here, and then here's my extensions. So like maybe like 6 more inches longer than my real hair, but they hold up just like regular hair. So I'm kind of curious. I have done a few styles with my extensions, and I kind of want to switch it up a little bit and see if I can do this style too, especially since I'm a like get ready and go kind of person. I really look for hairstyles that are quick and easy, so I definitely want to give this a try. So I look a hot mess because it's the end of the day, because she does this before the day before, so the night before. So let's go ahead and see what she does. First step,
prep work the night before. This is like my lazy, I don't want to give myself a blowout hair look because I have naturally curly hair, although my curl has gone limp within the years because I have bleached it to capacity. Instead of fighting my curl, I work with
brushing
it with this hairstyle, and I'm so happy you guys have been loving it. So this is what you want to do. I like to kind of air dry or blow dry my hair just slightly so it's not super soaking wet. Just find it's better not to sleep with soaking wet hair, so just like, you know, a damp vibe.
Okay, so her hair is damp, so obviously I didn't wash my hair. I am only allowed to wash my hair once a week. So yesterday wasn't wash day. Well, tonight's not wash day. So I'm just gonna use the spray bottle, and I'm gonna like spray my hair and just get it wet or damp. I have a lot of hair. Okay, so I feel like that's damp enough. Let's see what she does.
Then I just split my hair into 2 parts. Boom.
I always have little ligas, elastic hair bands. So all I do at night before I go to bed, I mask. I'm using a charcoal mask right now because I'm having a bit of some breakup situation going on. So I'm just gonna split my hair in half and do a very loose braid. So the reason I braid it is because I like that it gives me this really nice wave in the morning when I use the curling iron
she's going
in the
too
morning
fast.
to make.
So she just splits it in half, which I kind of already had it in half. And I brushed it back because I thought she was brushing it back. Okay, and then she splits it in half again. How do you split it in half? Go back.
So the reason I braid it is because
Okay, so she uses like a top piece right here, and then she has a bottom piece. I have a lot of hair though. Like, compared to her, I think I need to do 3 braids. I'm going to do 3 braids just because I have a lot of hair compared to, no shade, just I have extensions. Alright, I feel like this needs to be wetter. Okay, so I'm just going to braid. She said loosely. I'm just gonna stop it right there. I usually like my ends a little bit straight. Alright, so we have one side done. I'm gonna quickly go ahead and finish this side and we'll be right back for the next step. Okay, so I have my braids done. I just did 3 on each side. Ooh. I put a rubber band on my tooth to try to like open it up to put it on my hair and it snapped and busted me. Oh my god. It looks so bad. I'm an idiot. Okay, let's see what she does next.
Boom, and this is it. This is what you're gonna do night before. Now I'm gonna go crawl into bed and just be like, hi, Steven. I'm gonna sleep in this all night, and in the morning, we will finish this hair tutorial.
Okay, so she said, go to bed and look at your husband like, hi. He's staring at me right now like I'm a crazy person. Anyway, so she said this is it. Just go to sleep and we'll continue. Look, I forgot a whole piece of hair. Are you kidding me? I'm just gonna braid it. I'll just curl this piece tomorrow in the morning. But she said just go to bed and wake up and we'll continue the rest of this video. So I'm gonna go take off this makeup, wash my face and brush my teeth and go to bed, and I will be back in the morning. Well, for you it'd be like 2 seconds. Just watch. Good morning. So we are back. It is the next morning. The braids stayed up pretty well. I have my bangs that kind of fell out, but other than that, I think everything's good. So let's go ahead and see what her next step is.
Gotten up and did a quick little makeup. I'm going to now take out the braids. Make sure they're fully dry. If they're not, sometimes I will get a blow dryer and just kind of hit them with the blow dryer for a little bit before I take them out, but I think they're pretty dry at this point. This is why it's helpful the night before to let your hair kind of air.
The easiest way to take out braids is just to take your nail or your finger, the tip of your finger, and just run it along the middle of the braid. I usually do it from behind and then just pull it through, because if you try to break it apart from the top, it will tangle at the bottom. So there's my hair. Okay, so here is the end result. Oops, forgot one. Okay. So you could definitely style your hair like this and just leave it and go, but we're gonna do some curling, I think. Let's go ahead and continue watching.
Have the base texture, but it looks like it was braided, and that's not really the vibe we're going for. We want more of like a natural curly hair looking texture. That's where this guy comes in. This I got at Sally's. It's called Hot Shot Tools. It's a very thin, less than an inch, a quarter inch, I believe, ferrule. It's not too thin where you're gonna get like really tight curls, but it's just like a good size. So I turn this on, and this is how we are going to do it. Instead of putting it into the clamp, which is what I did before, I'm going of a bouncy wave that doesn't have too much of a curl. I want it to be more like this instead of like this. You always want to take the curling iron and point it down this way. So what I'm going to do is start off with just a random piece to show you guys. I'll do this one. So if you want to use a heat protectant, this is what I use. It is In Common Magic Mist, and this is like a leave-in conditioner. It also protects your hair from heat and strengthens it. Again, point this down and I am curling the first piece away from my face. See how much space I have in between each chunk of hair? I want it to be more of a loose wave, and then I'm gonna do the ends here. Kind of leave a little bit of the end out like that. You want it to be very relaxed, so the more space you have in between the hair, see there? You could go here, that's too tight. We want to take it down here at a diagonal, like a candy cane. Think of it like a candy cane. Because we have such large gaps in between, my hair length doesn't fit, so I'll do the top part and then I will do the bottom part. And it moves pretty quickly. You could already tell right now, just with those two pieces, that it looks less braidy and more of a wild texture. And I just keep getting random pieces throughout my hair and waving them like this. So right now, so far, I've only curled away from my face, but because we're doing more of a natural curly look, it's nice to switch up the direction in which we are curling. So this is away from the face. And then after I curl, I kind of pull down on my curls again. I don't want it to be too done up. So then the next piece, let's try curling it, go towards our face. This is gonna give you a less uniform look. That the ends don't look choppy like this. So I just start to grab some pieces. Make sure to
pretty much curled what I wanted to. Now I'm just doing the ends. I'm just running my curling iron through it, and I'm just switching, picking up random pieces and switching the way I am turning it. So like this one, I'll go inward. And I'll do outward. Outward again. So as long as they're not all straight, we should be good.
I brush through it, make it look soft and fluffy.
So I think I'm happy with how it's come out. So now she said to brush through it. You saw that I curled this one inward and this one outward, and I really like how that looks. So let's just go ahead and brush through it. See if I need any. Oh, like this piece. I don't like this. And then we'll just go ahead and throw that back and go through the side. You don't have to do every piece, but I just don't like these pieces right here. I think this will be the last one that I'm gonna fix. So it also didn't have a 1/4 inch or a 3/4 inch wand. I only have a 1 inch, but since I do have thicker and longer hair, I figured it would kind of even out. So we'll just have to see the results. Alright, so I think that is it for this side. Actually, this piece is straight. Not good. Can't really see the back of my hair, so I'm kind of nervous, but if it ends up being a messy hair day, it's a messy hair day. Alright, so I think I'm done there. So she said go ahead and take some hair oil. I'm going to use this Paul Mitchell, and just 1 pump is enough, and I like to take it on my fingertips and then flip my hair forward and just run through. I'm gonna redo this one. Looks a little funky. Alright, so I think I am done. Here is my end result. Let's redo this one.
And this is it. This is my, I don't know what I'm gonna call this, hair tutorial.
Alright, so here is the end result. You can see all the different textures, the different waves and curls, and I think it looks cute, but I don't think I would do it again. It's just, I don't know. I might have to give it another try. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. We'll see as I go throughout the day if I get any compliments or not. But let me show you from the back. Yeah, and that is it. So yeah. Alright, you guys, if you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. I would love to have you a part of my fam. Yeah, if you want to see me do more hair tutorials, just let me know in the comments. Or if you, what do you think about this look? I don't know, I'm still like, I don't know how I feel. I will leave you guys on that note. I hope you guys have a beautiful rest of the day, and I'll catch you in the next video.